It's too damn hot. Girl. Motherfucker. Cute little hair down, whatever. Senora Clip. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Alva the Fairy. Okay, so real quick, let's point some things out. I know I am in my room right now. If you didn't know, I'm in my room. Computer in the background, desktop, whatever is running, is rolling. I share my room, so things you see don't belong to me. Lighting, I didn't want it to be so bright, so you guys kind of get an idea of the natural state. Not really natural because, you know, I got some makeup on. A natural lighting, so I'm not like completely white out, and you can see I have imperfections still. I still suffer with my acne scars, and I don't want it to be washed out. I want y'all to know
I got some things I gotta deal with.
One of my most viewed videos have been the one regarding the applyil, the magical cream that has helped so many people around the world. It's truly a blessing. Thing that I've always wanted to do on my channel to help people out there, and knowing that a product that has been a big help for me could help you. It's pretty incredible. It's pretty incredible. I've received so many messages regarding the cream when they want to purchase it, if they're interested. And I did feel bad that I didn't go into depth in the video of this one when many people discovered that the applyil is of great help, and I didn't really explain how to apply it, when to use it. I will be answering everybody's questions. If you had a question, it's gonna be answered here, and if I do not get to it, you could comment down below, hit me up. Most likely watch this whole video and your questions will be answered. If you are interested in one question in particular, look down below and I will have all the questions listed for you. How is it magical? For my mama, when she had gone to Mexico, there was a lady selling some, and then my uncle was like, I want some for me because it's very helpful. So my mom was like, what? I want to know what's up. So she bought it, and in this day in particular, I had applied a Pond's cream that basically gave my skin a horrible reaction. Since I did get an allergic reaction from a Pond's cream. I got an allergic reaction to a Pond's cream I wore. Like, I don't know if you could see like those little bumps. I have a lot of them on my face. It was just very upsetting because I have struggled with acne for years and years and years. I was on Accutane, so finally I've been able to just kind of get my skin under control in a way. So to have all these bumps covered all over my face, I was really upset. I was very scared what's happening. I told my mom, and my mom had said, try out this cream, you know, and then she explained to me what my uncle had said. So real motherfucking quick, I had even posted on Snapchat. I know I probably look like a little ratchet or a lot, but it's okay because I'm letting my skin breathe. Like, I got traumatized with those bumps. I'd rather have my skin breathe with scar. But on this part, I put a little bit of crema, so I didn't put foundation on it. And even then, I didn't even want to put on any foundation. The next day, I even showed how the bumps were basically gone. It was incredible. So at that moment, I knew this cream is motherfucking magical. Does it work for any skin? Whatever product you use, medications that are prescribed by you by doctors, anything that's recommended by family or friends, it's all at your own risk. You don't really know if your skin is going to react a certain way, if your body's going to be able to take it or not. When I was on Accutane, I didn't really know how my body was going to react to it. It's all a risk, whatever you use. So please do your own research. Please be aware that what may work for me may not work for you, or it may work for both of us. I have very sensitive skin. Some products make my skin irritated, itchy. That's why I'm very careful on what products I use. So when I find something that works for me, I am very happy, because I don't have the best of luck with products. I don't. Things that have worked for so many people don't work for me, and it sucks. Purchase so many products, you spend so much money, it doesn't work. It's like, what the hell? So that is pretty much how my skin is. When to apply it. The longer you keep it on your skin, the better. So if you're able to keep the cream on your face the whole motherfucking day and reapply when you're going to sleep, then I can almost promise you that you will have faster results, since you're letting the magic play on your skin. It could be used for any skin issues like psoriasis, any mosquito bites, anything you like to heal. Yes, even if you got a little crazy something going on down there, you could apply it. I got in a bug bite, big as honey, on my arms, on my legs, very irritated, it gets inflamed, itchy, just horrible. You just need to be consistent. You need to keep reapplying it. It depends on what you are trying to treat. If you have a huge bug bite, it's not gonna just go away in one day. It's gonna take some time, but you'll see faster results if you are consistent on applying the cream. When it comes to the pimples, somewhat of a time ago, and I felt one right here underneath my cheekbone. Yeah, my cheekbone. And I felt the huge bump. Like, I felt it wanting to come through, and I got like low-key freaked out because you get traumatized. I'm telling you, when you have severe cystic acne for years, or just pimples in general, like, you're like low-key traumatized. When I apply the cream, I'm not kidding you, that bump went down so much, and like in 2 days it was not there anymore. It did not go through my skin. I was so happy. So that will go into your system. I'm so amazed that I didn't have it anymore. I've received messages from my loves who have purchased the cream, and they shown the before and after, and they had told me it's only been 5 days and look how my skin is. I'm so happy, thank you. And they saw results that quick. So it's just all up to your skin. If your skin loves it, it's gonna work real quick. I feel like I answered all of the questions, but if you have any questions in particular, please comment down below. Help each other out. Or if you don't feel comfortable commenting, or I don't know, you want to just hit me up personally, then please do so. My email, my Snapchat, and my Instagram is linked down below in the description box. It's always motherfucking there. I'm a P.O. box, so if you want to send me a letter or anything in particular, I am more than happy to receive it. Thank you so much for watching, and like always, bye bye. Oh my gosh, she has a cute top, the bra coming out. Ah, you thought?